Hi, my name is Alyssa Little, and this is my video on what I learned during the 3SB orientation and while reading the student handbook. So what I would like to start with is all the classes that were listed that we need to take throughout the year and a half in the credential program. It's really good to know and prepare for the future of what is ahead and what we need to be taking and thinking about for the future. The next thing I want to talk about is the TE 362 class. I knew we were doing fieldwork and observing, for 5 hours a week, but I didn't know that it had to be a K through 3 classroom, so that's really good to know. And also that it has to be a Title I school. So I'm really glad that we were told this, and I'm really excited to start. The next thing is the SIDME. I had no idea what SIDME was before this orientation, but it's really good to know that we do need it for our student teaching and that it does cost money, and it's good to pay in full so that we don't have to repay later. Another thing is the tips that we were given during orientation, that it is really important to save everything for a TPA, which I'm really happy that we were told this, because sometimes we're not told to keep things, so we throw things away on accident, or we don't think we need it anymore, but we do. So I think it's really good to know that we should keep everything for a TPA. So it's really good to know. Also, to communicate with your cohort leader and instructors, and also your classmates, your peers. It's good to, if something comes up, you have people to talk to. You need to tell them to, especially your instructors and your leader, so that you can succeed later no matter what comes up. They can help you out. Next, what I want to go over is the student handbook. What I want to start with is on page 21. On the lesson planning, the follow-up questions. I think it's really good to know to have these listed to help us while we're doing lesson planning, to help us go back and make sure we do have everything that we need for our lesson plans. So I think it's really good to have this listed. Another thing is the professional disposition. I think it's really important to have what is expected of us as teacher candidates to succeed in our future career. So I think this is really important to have. So I really like seeing that. And another thing on page 26, sorry. The substitute teaching employment. I think it's really good to know that we should get the 30-day substitute permit, because I knew we should have our substitute permit, but I wasn't sure exactly for what. So it's good to know that if something happens with your guide teacher while student teaching, you should have the 30-day substitute permit so you get paid for it. So I think that's really good to know. But yeah, overall, that's what I learned during orientation and the student handbook. So yeah, thank you.